What would you choose between a forever healthy glowing skin and a great regular massage sessions? Well, a massage is very relaxing, very soothing, likable and sleep inducing, isn't it? But still, I would go for a forever healthy glowing skin. I have my reasons. First, that a healthy glowing skin is a reflection of my health, my mental peace and vitality. So, those with a good healthy glowing skin can have a better social, personal as well as professional life. Second, let's see what a regular massage does to your skin. Now take this ball of dough. How do you find it? Isn't it firm? Right. Now let's look at this. This is massaged more than the one which you just saw. What about this dough? It is soft, and soft means sagging, right? Isn't it scary? Yes. So why does a regular massage lead to a sagging skin? We'll see that at a later time. So let us understand the basic structure of a skin. Skin has three layers. First is epidermis, which we see on the top of our skin. Epidermis is nothing but made up of stacks of cells one above the other. Those cells which are on the innermost sides are alive, whereas those cells which are on the outer surface are dead. Anything which is dead, we do not want to stay on us. So that is why these cells are shed regularly. But when, because of some reason, they are not shed properly, they keep on getting accumulated on our skin, and that leads to one, dullness of the skin, because the skin looks darker and more dull. And second, they block the pore to cause acne or acneiform eruption. So we need to shed or exfoliate these dead cells. Now what are the methods of exfoliation? The most effective ones are proper medicine application. There is use of certain creams like glycolic acid creams, retinoic acid creams, which help in exfoliation of these dead cells. So naturally, when treatments include any of these medicines, they are more effective than just massaging or scrubbing of the skin. The second best method is skin polishing, or which is also known as microdermabrasion. Scrubbing, as you have noticed, is the last option. The second layer is dermis. What does dermis consist of? Dermis consists of collagen, elastin, sweat glands, oil glands and hair follicles. Collagen gives firmness to the skin, elastin gives flexibility, stretchability to the skin, and sweat glands and oil glands are responsible for creating a moisture layer on the top of our skin. This moisture is capable enough of protecting our skin from bacteria, fungus and even allergens. Allergens are those substances which cause allergy. So how do we enhance this dermis layer? By use of proper peels, by a treatment called radiofrequency, either by itself or with the help of microneedling, which is known as microneedling radiofrequency or MNRF. We have one video on microneedling MNRF on our YouTube channel with the name Rupali Pavaskar. You can also keep yourself updated by following us on Instagram by the name Transforme Thane or Facebook on Transforme.Pavaskar. Coming back to our skin, the third layer is fat. Excess of fat is not good, we all know, but too thin layer of fat is also not good, especially for the face. It gives a dullness to the skin. Now fat is very much vascular, so it provides nourishment to the overlying skin. But when there is less of fat, this nutrition is reduced. So what do? We can replace this fat with a substance called hyaluronic acid, a treatment known as fillers. Fillers also absorb serum in them, they absorb nourishment and they provide that nourishment to the skin. The skin looks brighter and healthier. The first treatment is Oxygenio. Oxygenio has its presence world over. It is one of the best medical facial that you can do for your skin. Now, what is Oxygenio? It involves 3 layers, 3 steps. First is exfoliation. In exfoliation, dead skin is removed with the help of those medicines which I had mentioned earlier. So it is authentic exfoliation and not just scrubbing. Second is infusion. Certain ingredients like vitamin C, magnesium, or even hyaluronic acid are infused deep into your skin to give you a long-lasting glow, a healthy skin. The first step also involves something called as radiofrequency. Now, radiofrequency has been traditionally used for skin tightening. So imagine each time that you do a facial, you are getting radiofrequency done as well. So over a period of time, your skin will definitely be tighter and firmer than otherwise. The third step is release of carbon dioxide bubbles on the skin. Now, what do these bubbles do is that they call for more oxygenated blood to the surface of the skin. So your skin is getting extra dose of oxygen, and that is helping in reviving the dead skin. So these 3 steps complete the entire basket of skincare routine. You can do these treatments either monthly or once in 2 months or once in 3 months, depending upon your skin type or depending upon your skincare routine. If your skincare routine is in place, then you can do this even once in 2 or 3 months. Otherwise, you need a monthly routine for this treatment. Oxygenio is tailor-made for our skin type. It has these capsules called Capsugen which help in nourishment of our skin. And there are 2 types of Capsugens. One is a Neo Revive kit for those with mature aging skin. And the second is a Neo Bright kit for those who want instant brightness on their skin. We do this generally for brides or those who have a wedding at home. The second type of facial is called a Medifacial. Now, despite me telling you that regular massaging is not good for the face, I know there are some of you who still feel कि massaging के बगैर facial वाला feel नहीं आता. Correct? For those, we have specially tailor-made this treatment. Let's take a look at the steps. The first step is mild skin polishing. So it's not irritating and just a little bit exfoliating. The second step is jet spray. Jet spray helps in deeper hydration of the skin and exfoliation of the remaining dead cells. The third step is chemical peeling. Chemical peeling for the skin is just like muscle building for the muscles or weightlifting for the muscles. It strengthens the collagen over a period of time. And fourth step is a soothing massage, a relaxing massage, and finally at the end of it you have a soothing mask. The third type of treatment is carbon facial. Carbon facial or carbon peel is a special peel which is done with the help of Q-switched NDI laser. This is the same laser which is used for tattoo removal. So what we do over here is we apply a thin layer of carbon powder on the face and then lace it with a special lens. So this treatment helps in minimal exfoliation of the dead cells. It also helps in strengthening, producing new collagen over a period of time. But most importantly, it takes care of the deeper level of pigmentation which cannot be accessed by any other kind of facial. So for those of you with dermal melanosis or deeper pigmentation, worry not, carbon peel is just for you. So friends, all these facials were for instant glow or skin glow. But what about an anti-aging facial which is really effective? So ideally, the most anti-aging facials are those which involve needles or which involve radiofrequency. But what if you do not want the pain while doing the facial? Worry not, we have something called as photofacial just for you. For photofacial, we use intense pulse light laser to target our collagen. Intense pulse light strengthens our collagen over a period of time. So, if you do it regularly, your face will become brighter and less wrinkly than it was, as you can see in this video. So, did you like these facials? Are you excited about it? Don't take my word for it. Come experience them for yourselves, and I'm sure your skin will have a lot to thank you for, and it will bless you with a lot of shine. Thank you for watching this video.